What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be installing the rear lips and spats and under spoiler, I guess, under for the rear bumper.
Rear spats.
So we're gonna be installing the under spoiler for the middle part.
Oh, shit's hard.
You can extend it, torque it down. You can stretch it out.
Oh, fuck.
That's good. Yeah, it's super tight. The nut you're trying to take out in there to install the frame, but it's not working with our wrench, so we're using the breaker bar. I'm gonna try that one out. You should get the impact gun. I mean, there is a chassis frame, so bolts, so yeah, it's super torqued down. Should be good. This is broke loose.
Just like I broke that shit.
Yeah, should have your gun. Just use your gun.
Let's just do
New one for the old one. So it just goes in here, or mounts in there, and the bottom one goes there, right there. All right, so we gotta tighten it down. Just gotta torque it down now. Something pounds.
52 for the bottom. 50 foot-pounds for the bottom, 33 for the top.
Install this in.
Where's the thing at?
Hmm?
What was it? Nut on the outside?
Yeah, or on the inside. The nut's inside. Alright guys, so we just finished installing the rear under spoiler. Since we already have the bumper off, we're gonna install the rear splash guard on the bumper also. Just gotta take out the mud flap and throw it on. Alright guys, so it's the next day. Stayed up pretty late because we had issue with the rear JDM spats, or was it splash guard? Yeah. To me, I feel like it's called spats. Yeah. That was having issue lining up, so got it fit on. This one came out pretty good. Had no problem with this one. Yeah, this is how it looks. Super. I thought it was gonna look weird, but it actually looks pretty good on the car. The rear under spoiler. Outside, Kita. Go. Go. Yeah, so yeah, the rear under spoiler came out pretty good. I thought it was gonna look weird, but it looks pretty good. It fit perfect on the car. That's pretty much it for this part of the video. We're just installing the rear JDM splash guard and the under spoiler. Next we're gonna do the side skirts and the front lip. We're gonna do it in separate videos. So that's pretty much for today's video. You follow for the build. You wanna follow my friend STI build. Follow, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Stay tuned for the updates.